Understanding, breathe easily, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, breathe easily. This expression is not just about the physical act of breathing, but it carries a deeper, more figurative meaning in English. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, breathe easily. Literally, it refers to the act of breathing in a relaxed or effortless manner. It implies that there are no physical obstructions or difficulties in breathing. But in English, this phrase is more often used in a figurative sense. Let's look at that next. In a figurative sense, breathe easily is often used to convey a sense of relief or freedom from anxiety, worry, or stress. When someone says they can breathe easily now, they mean that a problem or difficult situation has been resolved, allowing them to relax. This phrase is synonymous with feeling relieved or at ease. Example in context. Imagine you're waiting for the results of an important exam. The moment you learn you've passed, you might say, "Now I can breathe easily." This implies that the stress and worry you felt while waiting for the results have dissipated. Breathe easily is often used in various contexts, such as after resolving a problem at work, receiving good news about a health issue, or when a stressful situation ends. There are also variations of this phrase, like breathe easy or breathe a sigh of relief, which carry similar meanings. Examples: 1. After the storm passed, we could finally breathe easily knowing our home was safe. 2. Once the deadline was extended, the team breathed a sigh of relief. In conclusion, breathe easily is a versatile phrase in English that goes beyond its literal meaning, often used to express relief and relaxation after a stressful period. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.